Hello there. My name is Devin Kennedy, and I'm from the Viking Land Operations Office in Basel. And today, I want to show you the city that I live in, Dresden, both the capital of the German state of Saxony and the birthplace of the oldest Christmas market in the world. There are several Christmas markets here in Dresden, and today I want to show you some of my favorite ones, including some of the particularities that make this city a unique place to visit during the holiday season. Let's go. Starting off with the oldest Christmas market, here we have the Striezelmarkt, which began its operations back in 1434. The name Striezelmarkt refers to the famous fasting bread of the city, known as stollen, but the market itself was originally set up to provide the citizens of Dresden with the sale of meat for their Christmas meals after the traditional Advent period of fasting. Stollen is a thick fruit bread made with a very fine, dense flour, nuts, spices such as cinnamon and cardamom, dried or candied fruit, and coated with a layer of powdered sugar. There are several variants of stollen, whiskey and marzipan stollen being my personal favorites. But what is quite special is that in order for a bakery in or around Dresden to be allowed to make Dresdner stollen, its quality first needs to be approved by the Stollen Protection Association, where they can proudly place this golden seal on their products, illustrating Augustus the Strong, the former Elector of Saxony and King of Poland from the beginning of the 18th century. Only about 100 bakeries in the region have this privilege. If you are a fan of the famous Nuremberg Eisenlebkuchen, or gingerbread, you may also want to try a local version here known as Pösnitzer Pfefferkuchen. Literally translated as pepper cake, the word pepper was used to mean any new foreign spice. Pfefferkuchen is usually filled with marmalade or jam and covered with chocolate. But unlike gingerbread from other countries or other parts of Germany, the dough does not usually contain any fat or indeed ginger, but instead is nutmeg, cinnamon, ground cloves, and allspice, which are then added after the dough has been left to mature to a whopping total of 6 months. One can find also many other locally handcrafted products at the Christmas markets, such as rotating wooden pyramids, Räuchermänner or smoking men, candlelit wooden arched Schwedbogen, and nutcrackers, all which originated in the nearby Erzgebirge or Ore Mountains, where silver and tin were discovered in the 12th century. The discovery brought many miners to the area, but they lost their jobs as a result of the German Peasants' War in 1525 and from competition abroad. Needing a new way to earn money, the miners took up wood carving, incorporating mining symbols and religious elements into their designs. Another unique local Christmas market to search for in the markets is the Handhütte Stern, or Moravian Star. This is a 25-pointed star that is often hung in windows and on porches during the Christmas season and has been produced for over 150 years in the nearby town of Handhütte. And you can find their annually created versions here at the Dresden markets, or even visit the factory during a full-day optional excursion. There are several other Christmas markets here in Dresden, but two very close to the Striezelmarkt which are worth visiting are the medieval Christmas market located in the Electoral Stableyard and the traditional Christmas market at the iconic Frauenkirche, or Church of Our Lady. The medieval market features the flair and ambience of what one would imagine to find back in the days of knights and chivalry. It is very well decorated. Here one can also find large cuts of meat, strong hot mead, handcrafted jewelry and clothing, and even have a relaxing time in a hot bath observing passers-by. The traditional market at the Frauenkirche follows a turn of the 20th century theme with the appearance of its stands and decorations. You can also find a lot of local delicacies, such as Saxonian Hartbrot, a bread filled with cheese, mushrooms, bacon, and covered with sour cream, the Dresden chocolate shop Commandos, and its several varieties of thick, delicious hot chocolates, or even a unique drink from the Liquorium Dresden, a producer of creative liqueurs utilizing ingredients from the region. For our Viking guests, they can come and visit the wonderful city of Dresden during the holiday season with our Christmas along the Elbe itinerary, starting in Berlin and ending in Prague, or vice versa, and visiting other beautiful cities and regions such as Wittenberg, Meissen, the Saxon-Switzerland National Park, and even the possibility to extend one's journey in Poland to experience Krakow and Warsaw with their own Christmas markets. I hope that you are able to come here and experience it for yourself and see why I also chose to live here with my family.
Frohe Weihnachten or Merry Christmas from Dresden.